60-second man tour. It's a VW. We got Desiree.
Hi. It's a 1990 Westfalia Vanagon.
She didn't want to do it now because I think she hasn't had time to clean up. But I'm making
it. It's pretty small. This is my bench couch living room, and it folds down into my bed, and that pops over. So I have a super spacious, comfy, cozy bed. My closet, my medicine cabinet, extra storage. The top pops.
Nice.
My kitchenette.
What's your favorite part and what's your least favorite part?
My least favorite
She was
part?
doing her dishes.
I know, I was totally cleaning up.
She's even got the pot in her hand.
I know. I don't know what my least favorite part is. That nobody's making coffee for me when I wake up. That's my least favorite part. And my favorite part is that I can always have coffee in the morning.
Where can the people find you? Oh yeah, you don't even post anything.
I don't post anything, but I like keep in contact and keep in touch with everybody through Instagram at This Delicious Adventure.
All right. Also, let's see. Oh, a minute. Let's get a quick Vanny Ain't No Joke.
No joke.